Do you like these little Hawaiian rolls?
They are so good.
They are so
incredible.
Good. And you know, sometimes if I just want to bite, one is perfect.
Yeah.
So I'm fixing to share with my oldest grandchild, y'all.
Hey, y'all.
This is Jack. And many of y'all have watched him grow, being born, watching him grow. All right. We have 2 jars. Now, this is, to me, this is the best tuna, canned tuna you could eat. And it's expensive, but to me, it's worth it.
So what could we possibly be making there? I'm looking around at these ingredients. I only see 3 things: Hawaiian rolls, barbecue sauce, and tuna. So I'm thinking to myself, well, what are we doing?
I called this, when I was making them for the bag lady, I called it a mystery barbecue sandwich. And when I told people it was a healthy barbecue sandwich, they loved it.
Yeah.
Because it's made with tuna, not pork.
Wow, that is so fun. I've never heard anything. I'm excited to try.
So you can make this at school. You know, you could even heat your bread up and something else. Yeah, so we're just going to taste those. Do you eat anything special on your barbecue sandwiches?
Usually not really. Maybe pickles. You know, sometimes barbecue sauce always. But this, I was just thinking, this is really the perfect Father's Day recipe, isn't it?
It's perfect.
I was just thinking about that.
It is perfect for the kids to get in the kitchen with mama and make this for their daddies. And
you're gonna think the dad's gonna think that you put all the time and effort to make barbecue for him, but really,
yes,
pretty easy recipe.
Yeah, he's gonna think, oh my gosh, they did a Boston butt on the grill. All right, so I eat mayonnaise on my barbecue.
Yeah.
All right, if you can unscrew that, my hands are
There you go.
Greasy because I don't like the tuna in water.
Yeah.
I like it in oil. Oh no, Jack, since I lost some vision in one eye, I said, Jason. That's why I need to leave that sort of stuff to you. All right.
Okay. Do you need to pull it apart anymore, or is this just?
Yeah, you can just.
Kind of get a little more shredded, make it look more like.
Yeah. We want it to look like barbecue.
There you go.
Yes, that's perfect. You're doing just what. All right, now you put the amount of barbecue sauce you want.
All right.
I'm gonna check on our bread. And since this is for Father's Day, we're gonna do this off of paper plates, Jack.
Yeah, this is a paper plate.
We don't want Dad to have to wash any dishes, do we?
I always like to be pretty conservative with the sauce and add more as you go, because I tend to over sauce my dishes.
That's exactly right, because you can always add to.
Never take away. That's right. Maybe a little bit more.
You need some more.
Yep.
People loved these when your daddy and Uncle Bobby would go out and sell.
This is a Bag Lady original?
Yes. Yeah, you want enough barbecue sauce that you can.
That's what really sells it as a barbecue sandwich.
Yes, a barbecue sandwich. Excuse you.
Oh, goodness. There you go.
I'm turning that upside down.
Yeah.
And you can use any kind of barbecue sauce you want. If you like a vinegar-based or mustard-based. I'm going to see if we can squirt any more out of there. Excuse me. Ain't no excuse for me. I can tell you that right now. Okay, I think that'll probably be enough, right, Jack?
And that does look just like pulled pork.
It looks just like pulled pork. A little mayonnaise, a little pickle, and a little barbecue. Or maybe a lot of barbecue. Look at that.
All right.
What father would love that, y'all?
I'm excited. You ready?
Happy future Father's Day. It's crazy, isn't it?
That tastes just.
I know.
That is. I was not expecting that. That is delicious.
Isn't it delicious? And just think in your dorm room, you can fix
That's
this
true.
up in a second.
It's healthy too. You know, tuna instead of barbecue. That is a great dish.
Yeah, when they say mystery, I said, well, actually, it's a healthy barbecue.
No, that's another good name for it.
So good.
I tell you what, that is incredible.
I know. It's the little things in life that make me so happy. Happy Father's Day to all you wonderful fathers out there.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.